Our following segment is Tsunami Alert, Understanding and Surviving a Tsunami Event. A tsunami is a series of enormous waves that occur in the ocean that are caused either by earthquakes, underwater landslides, volcanic eruptions, or maybe an asteroid falling into the ocean. It can travel from 20 to 30 miles per hour with wave height from 10 to 100 feet. It can cause flooding, disruption of transportation, power, communications, and the water supply, and it can happen anywhere along the U.S. coastlines. Should a landslide occur in the trench at the north of Puerto Rico, the time between the tsunami alert and the arrival of the wave would be approximately 7 minutes. We can say that's short time, but that wave can reach quickly. What are the conditions that need to be met for the formation of a tsunami? Well, the earthquake must occur in the ocean or cause material to slide into the ocean. The earthquake must be at least a magnitude of 6.5 on the Richter scale. The earthquake must rupture the Earth's surface, and it must occur at a shallow depth of less than 70 kilometers below the surface of the Earth. And the earthquake must cause vertical movement of the sea floor. Remember, in case of a tsunami, like any other disaster, the security officer is a first responder and the last person standing. What are the tsunami risk zones for VA facilities in Puerto Rico? Well, the high-risk areas are Arecibo, Isla Verde, Bayamón, Ceiba, Ponce, Vieques, and we can also include the U.S. Virgin Islands. The low-risk areas are San Juan, Mayagüez, and Guayama. As we can see, the majority of the VA facilities are in the high-risk areas. How do we prepare? Well, those facilities that are located less than 25 feet of elevation and 1 mile from the coastline, there are a tsunami warning system. There's the scenario, the detection, the protocol, communication, education, and dissemination. In case evacuation is needed, it will be a vertical evacuation. Go from a lower level to a higher level to avoid the rise of water. But we also keep in mind, since Hurricane Maria struck Puerto Rico, the tsunami alert system is inactive. Therefore, the warning signal depends now from the decision of NOAA and the Puerto Rico Seismic Network, where they will activate the cell phone-based warnings after an earthquake. Just like the notices that we receive on our mobile phones for the curfew during this pandemic alert would be one similar during a tsunami alert. So we must be alert, pay attention, and when we receive the notification, we must act promptly.